In this video, I'll show you how you can update your Faiba app. By updating your Faiba app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any errors or any bugs that might be associated with your app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to update your app, all you need to do is to go ahead and search for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and go to Play Store and then search for Faiba here. And you can see here is my app. And if I tap on it, you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of this Faiba app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update. And this will download the latest version of this app and then install it. Now, once this has been installed, now you'll have the latest version of this Faiba app. At this point, now everything should be okay. So that's how you can update your Faiba app, by following these simple steps. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.